Today I'm doing a review on this dash cover. It is compatible with my HRV, but there are many different types of vehicles that they do produce a dash cover for. I love the way that the anti-glare of this, it is a very soft fabric. This is really going to help preserve my dash in this Florida heat and sun. You can see where it does have a speaker hole, and it does come with the sticky in order to adhere this to your dash. So easy, no tools are necessary. You'll put the sticky part right on the back of the dash, and then you'll take the other part off and stick it right to your dash. Easy as that. Let's talk about the great material that this dash mat is made of. It has a flannel fabric material layer. It also has a heated cotton insulated and a non-slip bottom here. You can tell how well that it is covering and really will keep that in place. This mat is very stylish with the premium suede finish that it has. All in all, I think this is a great dash mat and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.